If you have chance to contribute to your country, to build your country, please do it. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I would like to talk about my experience of studying abroad. So, let's get started! Hi everyone, I'm Beatrix and I'm currently studying in the US. Also, I am working as a designer or writer in a non-profit organization. Nice to meet you. So first is end goal. You should have end goal if you want to study abroad or maybe continue your career. Do you want to work or continue your study? You cannot expect to focus on both unless you have specific visa. Second, of course, your skill. You should know how to cook, clean up the house, even how to drive. It's like really basic skill that you need to know when going abroad. I remember before planning to go abroad, I regretted not learning how to drive or how to fix a car. I had a hard time to fix the car after that. Then mental and your physical thing. Going abroad means you have to do everything by yourself. You don't have family or friends to talk to. Like when we are having problems, we carry everything by ourselves. Maybe you can make new friends, but not all friends can be reliable. Also, not all of us can easily find good friends, especially if we are introvert. Also, we need to care about our body. We have to take care of ourselves, drink more water, go exercise, and if we get really sick, just go see doctor. Going to doctor is the last option that we can do. Of course, you have to have insurance unless you want to spend a lot of money. And then financial. This is the important thing. Make sure that you know which options you would like to take, either taking government scholarship or self-paid, using the self-paid, which means you have to pay out of pocket and it's not little money. The pros of getting government scholarship, which is you don't need to worry about the living costs, but the cons is there are budget limitations, how much you can spend monthly, and you have to go back to your country after a certain amount of time. It means after your graduation. The pro of self-paid financial is that you can work for a few years before going back to your country. Next, decide which college or university you would like to apply. Know what is your interest, what is your field you want to take. Maybe like business or maybe medical or something else. Then don't forget place to live, either dorm, apartment, or living with host family. You should look that based on the budget that you have, because we have to compare the living cost from every city. I would suggest to live in smaller town because it's way cheaper. Then last thing, don't forget to focus on preparing all documents, all necessary documents, including passport, visa, I-20 if you are a student going to the US, and also bank statement, and still have more. All documents requirements are mostly found in the university's website page. First, of course, focus on your priority and goal. You should know going abroad is not easy, Not all people can have a chance like you. So, take that chance. You can work, but don't sacrifice your education. Also, second, if you are success already going abroad, studying abroad, don't forget who you are and where you are coming from. If you have chance to contribute to your country, to build your country, please do it. You have knowledge and skills to build